Have you ever seen the sunset over the Pacific Ocean in Acapulco? Today we take you on a short walking tour from the Amphitheater all the way to the free watching zone of the La Quebrada cliff divers, where we can watch the sunset, have a beer, and check out their performance. The gift that keeps on giving. Here we are at the Amphitheater lookout point next to La Quebrada with its absolutely privileged, magnificent view. I wonder if I can watch a show before I go here. Very peculiar seeing the Queen Elizabeth II here, right next to my princesa. The Amphitheater viewpoint. Spectacular place to watch a show, undoubtedly. It has recently come to my attention that I have not given the proper introduction to tell you why my videos and my information is so useful. You see, I've been traveling since 2013, nearly non-stop. Many of it has been within Asia and Latin America. I spent 5 years in Vietnam. And just 5 years ago, I started my full-time lifestyle as the digital nomad that I am today, where I spent at least 1 month in the following countries: Argentina, Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Ecuador, Mexico, Guatemala, and El Salvador. And in this time, I've been doing everything that I've been bringing to my channel here at Generic Expats. Now what this means is that I've been arranging my own accommodation and tasting the local cuisine, checking out the cost of living, looking for entertainment options, checking to see if these places are dangerous, learning how the weather is, and just the overall well-being of a foreign expat living in each one of these new cities. top-notch activity to do around 6 or 7 p.m. is to watch the sunset here in the area we call La Quebrada. Some cliff diving people jump around this area into the water. I'm not sure exactly where, but we'll see. And the sunset is just about to happen within the next 15-20 minutes. If you're getting value from my dedication to the research, traveling, recording, and editing needed to create the content I produce, please show me your appreciation by hitting that subscribe and like button below the video, as it really makes a difference to me and it motivates me to finish my massive multi-year video series, Motorcycling Alone through Latin America, showing you great undiscovered spots for your future expat lifestyle. It is more than likely that you are a male in your 50s from the United States and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Well, let me show you how to do that now.
Son niños, ¿no?
Sí,
Como adolescentes de 15
sí,
o
los empiezan a foguear. Es que ahí no está hondo, ahí se tienen que tirar cuando entra la ola.
¿Pero se aventan de ahí mismo o no?
No, ahí van a atravesar nadando y van a subir.
Ah, ok. Pensaba que presión.
Have you always wanted to check out Latin America, but you felt it was too risky because it was too dangerous and you don't have any contacts there? Are you looking to go to an exotic tropical place, such as climbing a mountain or a volcano? Or are you looking to catch some sun on the beach? Or go on a boat tour? Here at Generic Expats, we offer generic tours to give you that safety, security, and that helpful connection with me to be able to do these tours with no fear. Follow along on genericsworld.net and you can see where I am and book a tour for the following locations as I'm driving south on my motorcycle through Latin America.